I'll self-narrate this video. So we're on board John and Pam's boat, floating around Lake Ontario.
Jack's got this on Facebook.
We'll put this on Facebook tonight. This will be the great big venture. There's Lake Ontario, somewhere out there.
Only in reverse.
Yeah. Which way are we going now? We doing a full 360 here?
Where is it? It's right here.
You know, this is strange. These are my reading glasses, and I can see you guys better. I think it's time for you to get my eyes.
Oh, I forgot how much I miss being on a boat. This is great.
And that's very...
Yeah, shooting video in this swell will make anybody a little crazy.
Yeah, the white piece of tape that's on the wheel, it is actually it's parallel, so that's straight up for the tiller.
Yeah, now it's okay.
So now if you go back to the tape, you're actually straight.
No.
So I want to see how this. Oh, do you need ice? We have a lot of ice down below.
I got ice in here.
Okay.
I'm okay on that.
Yeah.
Now we're cool.
I put my jacket on. Side of the river going.
No, I just stayed there docked, yep.
There you go.
That's where I met Bart.
What's that?
Where's the sunset?
Over here. You can see the colors.
So it's pretty slick. It's 10 miles and there's 2 drawbridges and one is a pay drawbridge. So when you're tooling by there, the guy comes out with his basket on a pole, sticks it down there, and you put your $5 in. You know, you never stop or anything. It's so slick. Yeah.
Out shooting stars, also known as meteors. It's the legendary Draconid meteor shower is predicted to peak on the night of the 7th. Tonight's the 9th. That was the 8th.
No, they said 7th and 8th.
Yeah. This, 7th or 8th. This star produced major displays.
We stayed up one night and
I saw the tail
end.
So while we were having our third round of cocktails with John and Pam aboard their beautiful boat Albatross, we were treated to a sight of a new boat coming into harbor. This boat, built for the thriving package freight business on the Great Lakes in the 1960s and 70s, was built by the Davy Shipbuilding Company in Quebec. It was originally launched as the package freighter Fort William. Interestingly enough, shortly after entering into service, in 1965, the Fort William capsized and exploded while unloading at the company's dock, killing 5 sailors. In 1967, the Fort William was in a head-on collision in Lower Huron near Port Huron. The boat was acquired by Lake Ontario Cement. The retired freighter was converted into a self-unloading cement carrier, and here she is, the Stephen B. Roman, sailing on Lake Ontario as a cement unloader.
But you're right, the sailboat was so far away, you're like, why is the bridge going up now? Well, what are you going to do up there? Look at it already bubbled up, you'll see it. They'll bring on a pilot. The kids are up on the upper deck with teenage kids.
Here we go, we're gonna...
Nice job, Pam. Nice job.
Come on. Good job, Mr. Dial. I'm sure.
Got that right, Doc?
Yeah.
The birds are taking a lot of this. They're actually hanging up there and taking a ride. A bunch of submarines that go by constantly.
So, in addition to seeing some beautiful boats coming in and out of Charlotte Harbor, we got the experience of seeing some submarines coming down from the Letchworth Dam. Here they are in the water.
Is it really just